Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Microsoft Forms and just a couple of features I want to highlight that have been introduced recently. So I'm just going to dive into a form I've already created. And one of the things that lots of people have been asking about is the ability to format text more clearly. So if I dive into this question, if I select a piece of text now, I've got the option to format it. So I can make a piece of text bold, I can italicize it, I can underline it, I can change the color. I can also alter the font size as well. I can add numbering bullets or just bullet points. So it's a really useful feature. As I say, all you do is you enter your text in, and then if you select the piece of text, it brings up the menu and you can then format it. I can see this being really useful if you want to put more detailed questions. Maybe it's more of a detailed instruction on how to fill in the form, and then you can highlight it and use the colors and the format, the various font features such as bold, italicize or underline to lay it out, make it look nice and easy to navigate. So that's one of the features, that ability to format and lay out text. The other thing I wanted to show you was the Insights feature, which is now more widely available. So if I dive into a form that I've already had a number of responses on, and this works with specific questions where you're asking just a piece of text. So you can see, if I click on Insights at the bottom there, it brings up this word cloud-like response, and then it allows me to pin that to the survey. So if I scroll down and go to Insights, I can see there are my various options. I can then pin those as I have done at the top. Unfortunately, at the moment, there isn't an option to download it, but it is there available. So that's quite a nice way of displaying the responses. And as you roll over each of the words, it tells you how many responses it's had and what percentage it makes up. Obviously, the larger number of responses, the more variety in the size of the words that you get. But that's just a nice way of reviewing text-based questions. So there you have it. Very quick video this week. If you enjoyed it, remember to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and join me again soon for more EdTech videos.